Hi everybody, today I will guide everyone how to remove password on Windows 10 computer. First, everyone will go to the start icon. Select settings. Select accounts. Select sign-in options. We will select the password section. Select change. Everyone will enter the old password. After entering, please select next. Now to remove password on Windows 10 computer. Please leave all 3 lines blank for me, and just choose next. Choose finish. Now, I will check to see if our computer has been password removed. That way I will start the computer. As everyone has seen, my computer no longer has a password, so I've made a promise to everyone. How to remove password on Windows 10 computer. Everyone watched the video and found it interesting. If you find it useful, remember to give me a like, 1 share, 1 channel subscription.